Best kitchen chimney. Number 5. V-Guard MG10 60 semi 850 M3 per hour curved glass kitchen chimney. Approx price 8,714 rupees. Elegant looks with 850 M3 per hour powerful suction. 60 semi wide suction chamber and wall mounting. Indian cooking with 3-speed setting. Advanced 2-layer stainless steel baffle filter and oil collector cup. Push button controls with 2 energy efficient LED lamps. Warranty 1 year on product, 5 years on motor. Number 4. Hindware Nadia 60 semi 1200 M3 per hour filterless auto clean kitchen chimney. Approx price 12,299 rupees. Powerful motor provides 1200 M3 per hour suction capacity. Filterless technology. Auto clean technology. Oil collector. 3-speed touch control for smooth operation with very low noise. Motion sensor. Warranty 1 year on product and 5 years on motor. Number 3. Inalsa 60 semi 1150 M3 per hour pyramid chimney. Approx price 6,199 rupees. Pyramid style with side wall mounting. Size 60 semi. 2 4-burner stove for wall mounted chimneys. Suction capacity 1150 M3 per hour. For kitchen size 175 square feet. Stainless steel baffle filter. Control type push button control. Maximum noise 65 dB. 2 LED lights, 3-speed settings. Number 2. Number 2. Faber 60 semi 1200 M3 per hour auto clean curved glass kitchen chimney. Approx price 13,490 rupees. Curved glass wall mounted heat auto clean chamber. Size 60 semi. 2 4-burner stove for wall mounted chimneys. Suction capacity 1200 M3 per hour. Filter surface area 52 by 30 semi square. Control type touch and gesture. Maximum noise 58 dB. Lamp LED 2 1.5 watt. Warranty 1 year on product. Number 1. Ilika 60 semi 1200 M3 per hour filterless auto clean chimney. Approx price 12,489 rupees. Filterless technology ensures powerful suction capacity. It comes with motion sensing technology. Curved glass wall mounted. Maximum noise 58 dB. Warranty 5 years on motor and 1 year on product from date of purchase. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.